Okay. The generator is now on full load, Dad. We just threw the main in the building, so there's no power coming from the street at all. That's how loud it sounds with the full building in use. It was much quieter before. So what we'll do is we'll go back into the building. We'll throw the main breaker back on. There's a 5-minute wait period, and it transfers the load back onto the facilities, and then the engine runs for another 5 minutes for a cool down. It works like a gem. Over and out.